If you do not have any question, then I will go to the question number 2. Boleh Question number 2?
Boleh, Doktor.
Okay. Alright. In this question number 2 is actually we will implement the while loop in MATLAB. Right? Before we go to the, actually this is the given code to you. Okay, where the code here will provide to you the initial a equals to 1, and then it will do the while loop from a less than 10. Okay, it will need you to input the data, right? A equals by using input command here, and the data and here is to indicate the while statement, and then display the message box. In the message box, the caption is finished. Okay, so before we can go to this one, so maybe you can look at the syntax of a while loop in MATLAB. So here I will ask for the help from MATLAB how to use while. Okay, so this is the syntax for while. So what is while loop for? The while loop is to repeat when condition is true. Okay, when this condition is true, then it will repeat this statement, right? So while this keyword, expression is this one, okay, a less than 10, and statements. This is the statements and keywords. So actually the while loop for this question is at this part, only these 3 lines of code. Okay. So if you want, let's say we implement this by using a command window. Right. Yeah. So here, first I will initial the value of a with 1. Then I provide the while a is less than 10. If this is true, a is input. Masukkan nilai a dan end. Then press enter. So dia akan suruh masukkan teruslah. Ini kalau gunakan command window. Right? So it will appear the prompt for you to enter the value of a. So let's say I masukkan 11. So then let's say I'll give the message box here. Okay, what happened when we have the message box with this caption? Then we press the enter. So this command will produce you the message box, okay, with caption finish here. Okay, so this is by using command window. If you want to use the M file, go to the new script. Okay, you have another new editor window here, right? Then provide the code over there. A equals to input. Dia kata kat situ, masukkan nilai A. And right, message box. Finish. Okay. So when you have done this, run the code. Make sure you save the file. Let's say Prelab2, question number 2, and make sure you choose the .m here and save. Okay, so you can see here, okay, you can see here it states you to enter the value, right? Since the value that I put it here is less than 10, so it will ask again to do to ask again for you to input the data. So let's say 8, I want to put 7, I want to put 1, 3 here, and then last one to end, put it 11. So when you put it more than 10, okay, more than 10, it will go to this one, okay, and produce the message box here. Right. Okay. So what is the benefit by using writing your code in command window and by using MATLAB M file? Okay. So by having this M file, actually you can provide the documentation of the program. Okay. For example, here you want to provide some documentation here. You kata this is question. To do the documentation, you need to use %. Okay, type there %. Then you provide that one. What is the description of this program? Question number 2. So this is Prelab2. Question 2. Right? So this line is actually to do initial pay with 1. Okay, this line is actually do the while loop for a less than 10. Enter the user and ask the user, okay, ask the user to input the data. Okay. So this will be while loop user input more than 10. Okay, this message box is actually to pop up the message box, okay, on the screen. So this is the benefit by having the M file. Okay, you can save the file and you can use it later on in the for your future programming. Okay, right. This is question number 2. All right, I will go to the question number 3, but before that, I will give you since you need to provide the attendance record for question number 1. So I'll give you about 10 minutes to do the documentation so that you can submit your question number 1 to the author for the attendance. So we come back at 10 o'clock. Alright? Boleh?
Boleh.
So kita jumpa balik pukul 10.